My love, 11:01 on the clock. Ibig sabihin, kailangan na nating simulan ang ating pagbabasa ng Byahe Sender of the Night. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Ang ating Byahe Sender for tonight ay ayaw magpabanggit ng kanyang pangalan. So, papalitan natin ang kanyang pangalan at ang napili kong pangalan ay Camille. Kasi naka-live ako sa Facebook ngayon at nakita ko agad na pangalan si Camille Gueco sa ating Facebook Live. So, Camille ang itatawag natin sa ating Byahe Sender of the Night. So, ito na nga mga kabisyo, ang biyahe ni Camille. Hi DJ Lala, pakihide na lang po ang name ko. DJ, di ko na alam gagawin ko, as in, as of this moment, di na niya ako kinakausap. Di lang to isang beses nangyari, palagi siyang nananahimik, mas lalo akong naiinis. Nag-aaway kami dahil pinili niya ang ibang bagay kesa sa akin. Quine-question ko kasi siya about doon. Ini-ignore niya lang yung chat ko at hinahayaan. Dapat ko na ba siyang hiwalayan or kailangan kong magtiis? So, very much pasok si Byahe Sender Camille sa ating biyahe ngayong gabi na silent treatment. My love, ganito, no? First and foremost, iko-correct ko lang yung last part ng tanong mo. Ang tanong mo kasi was, dahil dun nga sa issue ninyo, your go-to solution is, hihiwalayan na lang ba or magtitiis? My love, ganito, no? When things go wrong in a relationship, breaking up shouldn't be your first option. Hindi dapat yun yung first option ninyo, ang pakikipaghiwalay. That shouldn't be on the table yet. O diba? Wag natin gawing hobby. Ang cool off, ang pakikipaghiwalay. Wag natin yung gawing trip. Na pag nainis ka, makikipag-cool off ka o kaya naman makikipag-break ka. So, tanggalin muna natin yung option na yun. There are still a lot of things we can consider as an option. Make the pakikipag-break the least of your option sa mga available options na meron ka. One option can be give them the same treatment. Kung ano yung ginagawa niya, gawin mo sa kanya. Gawin mo din 'yon sa kanya. Make him feel exactly what you feel. Give them the same dose of medicine na ibinibigay nila sa inyo. Kung hindi ka nila pinapansin, kung di sila nagre-reply sa chat mo, do the same thing sa kanya. Kasi nagawa mo na yung first one eh. That one is trying to talk it out, o diba? Trying to engage in a conversation so that you guys can talk about it para malaman nyo kung ano yung mali sa relationship ninyo, kung anong problema, and he is not responding sa ganung way. So the second option you have is yun. Give him the taste of the same medicine na ibinibigay niya sa iyo. So, wag mo din siyang replyan. Try mo din siyang tikisin. Now, if this one won't budge, if hindi talaga siya magpaparamdam, then you know, he doesn't care. He doesn't care how this relationship will end. He doesn't care about how you'll feel. He doesn't care of how you'll react because of his reaction. Kasi the more you try to reach out sa utak-utak niya, the more siyang naiirita. The more siyang naiirita, the more siyang nag-act out. That shouldn't be the way to do it. Pero I guess one of his traits na kailangan mong i-accept within yourself, Camille, is that you have an immature boyfriend. O diba? Obvious naman siguro sa'yo yan eh. Immature siya, he doesn't want to be corrected, he doesn't want to listen sa mga flaws niya, sa mga pagkakamali niya, he doesn't want a critic. Gusto niya lang yung mga tweetums, yung mga magagandang sinasabi mo sa kanya, but when it's about his attitude, his behavior, or if it's about something na against sa kanya, he kinda doesn't wanna listen. So yan ay sign ng immaturity. So, kung hindi pa rin nag-work sa iyo yon, yung mga patotsada niyang gano'n na hindi siya namamansin, kundi yun sa kanya nag-work, then saka natin kunin yung last option. Saka natin siya i-claim. O diba na hindi naman sa magbe-break na lang tayo kasi hindi ka naman nakikipag-usap. Hindi, not like that. You say it in a way na papakita mo sa kanya you are the better person and you are a mature person that can attack this problem in a mature solution. Pwede mo siyang iwanan ng mensahe na, I wanna fix everything between us. Gusto kong ayusin tong problema natin. Gusto kong ayusin tong relationship natin. But I cannot do it alone. If you think na I'm asking for too much of your time, if you think I am asking for too much of your attention because I want you to choose between me and everything that you are doing, then sorry. Pasensya ka na. I just miss you. I just wanna talk to you. I just wanna converse with you. I just wanna be with you. So sorry kung ganun ako kaklingi. Mahal kasi kita eh. Now, if gusto mo, kung gusto mo lang naman, let's try it another way. O, diba? Kung meron kang gagawin, just tell me na you have to do something, and then if pwedeng pag-usapan, kung pwede mong ipagpaliban, then tell me. Para pwedeng pagpaliban, then pagpaliban. If hindi, then tell me. So, hindi ako maghihintay at hindi ako mangungulit. Kumbaga, you are giving him the solution to a simple problem, my love. You are trying to give him a way out dun sa nagiging habit niya na tawag dito, hindi nagsasabi sa'yo, hindi nagre-reply or inuuna yung ibang bagay sa'yo, and siguro hindi naman niya intensyon na ma-offend ka, pero yun kasi yung gusto niyang gawin, kailangan niyang gawin or whatsoever. So if ibibigay mo sa kanya yung option na pwede naman tong ganitong setup, just as long as I know it, just as long as you'll tell me, so hindi ako maghihintay. Kung alam niya kasi yon, it will look like you are a bigger person kasi you wanna make it work, rather than just asking, ano ba yung ginagawa mo? Ba't lagi na lang yan yung nauuna sa akin? Ba't lagi mo na lang pinipili yung mga ginagawa mo over me? Kasi paano kung importante din naman kasi talaga yung ginagawa niya? 'Di ba? Paano kung importante din kasi talaga yung pinaglalaanan niya ng oras at panahon? Nagmumukha kang hindi nakakaintindi. Naiintindihan mo ako, love? So, kapag nakikipag-converse ka to your partner about the time he is giving to you, if he is lacking under your watch or in your perspective, lacking siya ng oras para sa'yo, then give him an option. Give him a workable option para sa'yo. Huwag kang mang-question agad ng why, at huwag ka din agad magbigay ng option na either that or me. Kasi kapag binibigyan nyo na po ng ganong mandato yung mga lalaki, nabubuhisit sila. Pag binibigyan na po ninyo ng ganong klaseng choices ang mga lalaki, naiipit sila to things they need to do and the people they need to keep. And that's a choice na very tough for everybody. So, wag natin yung ibigay sa kanila. Kumbaga, naiintindihan ko you miss the person, pero that doesn't mean you demand every single minute of their time. So, love, again, if all else fail, kapag yung usap-usap na yan, yung options, you trying to use proper words in order to explain to him na namimiss mo lang naman siya, you don't intend na kunin yung buong araw niya, you just want him to spend some time with you. If all else fail, my love, then you take the last option. Kasi again, uulitin ko, ibig sabihin, kapag ginawa mo na yung lahat and this person just won't talk to you, this person doesn't care. This person won't even bother himself thinking kung saan pupunta tong relationship na to. That's when you do that. Naiintindihan mo ko, Camille? So if you are listening to me right now, my love, again, pag-uusap muna. Huwag niyo muna ilagay yung pananakot ng breakup dyan sa table. Huwag niyo muna yan ibigay as an option. Huwag natin laging ginagawa yun nga yung key term doon, panakot yan. Kasi kapag yan sinabi niya, di sige, break na. Sino mang masasaktan? Tayo din naman, di ba? Tayo din yung mahihirapan. Tayo din yung maaapektuhan. So, wag na natin ibigay yan on the table. Hanggat kaya nating pag-usapan, hanggat kaya nating ayusin natin. When we have resorted to all possible options that we have, wala pa din nangyari, you don't ask kung break na ba tayo. You just say, break na tayo. Naintindihan mo ako, Camille? That's not an option, yung breakup. If you wanna break up with this person, make it, make it absolute. Lagyan mo ng period, wag question mark. Okay? At syempre, Camille, kung gusto mo din pakinggan, meron ng ating mga viewers sa Facebook Live ng Love Radio Manila na say and opinions and thoughts about our biyahe ngayong gabing ito. This one ay galing kay Eric John Garcia. Alam mo ang mahirap sa relasyon? Akala ng mga tao kung ang yung romance na nakikita nila sa movies ay yun din ang totoong love. Most movies end when the main character gets married. They don't show what happens after the wedding. When in fact, it's where the real love begins. The struggles, the acceptance, the changes, the understanding, the communication. Yan, may pagganon. Deep communication in a relationship is really important. Hindi naman manghuhula ang partner mo. Make sure you talk about it. That's what makes relationship anyways. And breaking up should never be an option. Ay, gusto ko yon. Totoo naman kasi talaga yon. Oo, kapag nakapagrelasyon ka, make sure that you will make time. Huwag niyong sabihin yung mga katagang, I will find time. No, you make time. You committed yourself in a relationship. It's the least you can do. Spend time with your loved ones. Spend time with your special someone. Kasi hindi lang ikaw yung naglalaan ng oras. Hindi lang ikaw yung naglalaan ng atensyon. Hindi lang ikaw yung naglalaan ng emosyon. Siya din. So it's the least you can do for the person who loved you. Okay? Nako, meron pa ba? Meron pa ba tayong other na other comment sa ating comment section? Ayan, this one is from Camille Gueco. Taray. In general, kapag may problema kayo, please, he or she will try to understand you. Love each other's flaws. So break up will never be an option. Totoo yan, no? Diba? We all compromise and we all adjust in relationship. It's not just one way. It shouldn't be just one way. Kung ang partner mo ay nagtatry i-understand or mag-compromise or mag-adjust sa pangangailangan mo, just be sure that you are ready to do the same thing for your partner. Last na to, this one again from our Facebook page. Sabi ni Alan Velasco, minsan din kasi talaga kaming mga lalaki, mas pinipili na lang namin manahimik kung may nararamdaman kami na hindi namin masabi. Ayaw rin naman namin kayong masaktan kung dediretsuhin namin kayo. So feeling ko yung guy na nanahimik na lang muna habang nag-iisip-isip. But we know that was unfair din sa inyo girls. I love the fact that you are admitting to it, and I would definitely agree sa sinabi mo. Kasi guys don't have filters eh. Ang mga lalaki kasi wala sila gaanong filter. And sometimes they don't have the best vocabulary to express their feelings. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng mga lalaki talaga expressive eh. So sa mga lalaki, I just wish na there's a limit or a time limit dyan sa pag-iisip-isip na yan. Kasi we girls want to fix it. Lagi kasi kaming initiator ng mga talks eh. We love talking. Kaming mga girls, we love talking about our emotions. And sometimes, we know we can get too annoying, but it's just because we love you that much. And we want to make the relationship work. So I hope you guys can also find it in your heart to just express what you feel. Diretsuhin nyo kami kung didiretsuhin nyo kami. Lagyan nyo lang ng disclaimer para hindi masyadong masakit na ito, didiretsuhin kita. Hindi ako magaling with words, pero ito yung nararamdaman ko. So we can understand. We will understand because we want to understand. No matter how painful those words may be, iintindihin namin yan. Kasi mas mananaig yung fact na mas mahal namin kayo kesa sa pinag-aawayan. O, diba?